Yo, it's a Welsh Gamer here, and today I'm going to show you how I record green screen. Have you always thought about how people record their green screen content? Well, first of all, there's a few things you need. Tripod for your camera. I use an iPhone. You need some lights, and you need a green screen to put all that together. That's the setup. I'm going to show you how to do it all in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, first of all, we add in all of our content. So when I add in my content, I've already exported my microphone audio separately, and this is the game audio and the game screen. There you go. So the green screen is completely separate also. So here's the green screen, and I'm going to show you how I edit it together and the filters and other stuff that I use. So the first thing I do is you have to line up the green screen with your gameplay footage. So personally, I record all of my green screen on an iPhone. So because it's on an iPhone, it's also recording audio. But all I do is I sync up the audio from the iPhone to the audio from my microphone in game. There you go. And then I'll listen to it and I'll see if my lips moving to exactly what I'm trying to say. So there you go. So my voice matches up with the audio, and then I can get rid of the audio from my green screen, and voila.
And voila, the human brain.
We have microphone audio, game audio, and my green screen content. Great, easy as that. So the main part of this will be getting rid of the green screen. So what I've done is I've actually paid for some presets. It saved me so much time. These are Finzar's presets. I'll put the details down below. I'm not affiliated with Finzar at all, but I really like his videos and I've learned quite a lot from that. So the main tools here, you've got crop and green screen. Now these crop and green screen is always in here anyway. So if you don't have the presets, you use the Ultra key, which gets rid of the green, and the crop, which will then crop it down. But since we're using my presets, I'll show you how easy it is. So presets, Finzar, main tools, crop, drag that on there, green screen. Now look at this, how easy this is. Boom. Most of the work's already done for me. It's already got all of the presets into that chroma key. Wham, straight away. Now if we just want to fix it up, you've got your crop, so this will take in the left hand side and the top to get rid of the bar, and the right hand side to get rid of my jackets. So now if you go up to here, you can move it around, and then if you have a look in and see if the green screen works, so have a little mess around of it, see if it's missing anything, or so something's a bit, maybe the transparency isn't correct. All you have to do is come down to the Ultra key and you can change all of these settings. So generally the good ones are like the shadow and the transparency, and you just mess around with it until it's perfect. And then all you do is you go into motion and then you just move where you want to go. What you can also do once you've got your green screen all set up is you can change these choke settings. So if you look at the corner of my shoulder, this will just like knock it in slightly. So you can mess around with all of these settings to get it as perfect as you want. Just wanted to show you some other cool stuff you can do when your green screen is separate. Some people record their green screen in OBS while you're recording, but then you can't keep it separate. One of the cool things you can do when it's separated is you can do things like this. So you can do a slide in. So when you start playing it, it just slides straight into it. All of these are part of the presets, but you can keyframe this all yourself and then make your own presets if you want, but I found that this has saved me so much time. So there's another cool trick here which you can do, zoom down. This is part of the presets, so as it's playing here, you can then just zoom it straight into it. It just gives you a little bit extra oomph to your green screen footage. And if you're using green screen, just have some fun with it. I tried my best to have some fun. I haven't got much space, but what you can do is then move yourself around, like being part of the game, but sometimes it doesn't work and you punch things. It really hurts.